Do you have a heat press and a little creativity? If so, then you have everything you need to send your students back to school with an original custom set like this. First, you need to find some cool artwork. Since we're sticking with classic black, we want to make sure we have bright colors that will stand out on the finished product. Now, here is the absolute key to getting the most bang for your buck, using a gang sheet. We fit all three of these unique designs onto a single 12 by 12 inch sheet of our TruePrint Custom Transfers. We chose TruePrint because this one transfer works on all these different materials: cotton, polyester, and blends. Ordering is super simple. Pick the size gang sheet you want, add and arrange your artwork, then add to cart and check out. Your transfers ship free and arrive in a few days, and then it's time to press. I'm using my TrueSpec heat press with interchangeable fast fit platens. Since I don't want to press the pocket or hood, this smaller platen is perfectly sized for just the torso area. With another swap, I can bring in a smaller platen, perfect for the flap of this backpack. As long as you have a heat press and a little creativity, you have everything you need to make original, trendy, back-to-school fashion. And thanks to TruePrint Custom DTF Transfers, these transfers are full color, retail quality, and super easy to press. And just like that, you're ready to send your student back to school with an awesome, fully custom set. Links to the machines and transfers used in this video have been added to the description below. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching.